introduce the convener of this program, Professor Ashutosh Kumar Singh. Dr. Ashutosh Kumar Singh is working as a professor and head of the Department of Computer Application, NIT Kurukshetra. He has more than 15-year research and teaching experience in various universities of India, UK, Australia, and Malaysia. He has obtained PhD degree in Electronics Engineering from IIT BHU India, postdoc from Department of Computer Science, University of Bristol, UK, and Chartered Engineer from UK. His research area includes verification, synthesis, design and testing of digital circuits. He has published more than 150 research papers till now. He is the co-author of 6 books, and few of them includes Web Spam Detection Application Using Neural Network, Digital System Fundamentals, and Computer System Organization and Architecture. He has worked as a principal investigator for 4 sponsored research projects and was a key member on a project from EPS RC UK, Logic Verification and Synthesis in New Framework. Dr. Singh has delivered the invited talks and presented research papers in several countries including Australia, UK, South Korea, China, Thailand, Indonesia, India, and USA. He had received 10 awards for his research such as Merit Award 03, Best Poster Presenter 99 in 86th Indian Science Congress held in Chennai, India, Best Paper Presenter of NSC 99 India, and Bintulu Development Authority Best Postgraduate Research Paper Award, Malaysia for 2010, 11 and 12. Currently, he is working as an editorial board member of International Journal of Networks and Mobile Technologies, International Journal of Digital Content Technology and its applications. Also, he has shared his experience as a guest editor for Botanica Journal of Science and Technology, chairman of CUTSE International Conference 2011, and as editorial board member of UNITAR Journal. He is involved in reviewing processes in different journals and conferences such as IEEE Transaction of Computer, IET, IEEE Conference on ITC, ADCOM, etc. Now, I would like to invite Sir to kindly brief us with this 2-day event.
Namaste to all of you. Honorable Director of NIT Kurukshetra, Dr. Satish Kumar Ji, Welfare and Chairman of this program, Deans, HOD, judges, student, colleagues, custodian and media person, Divyangjan, most important people of the event. Last but not least, our special guest, Sri Shiv Kumar Ji, National Secretary of Vidya Bharati. I worked with him in 90s when I was quite young. So whenever I see him, I feel that I become a bit younger. I'm not feeling very comfortable that I'm sitting in front of him. So I sincerely apologize. Shiv Kumar Ji left his home for the nation just before, roughly around 35 to 40 years back, to make the country great, a kind of sannyasi jivan in current time. A very warm welcome to all of you for this challenge. Youth with disabilities. Youth with disabilities, they can go for different kind of challenge. Why only IT? Why only computer challenge? Yesterday I was thinking that why not this UNO and Korean society introduce some challenge in civil engineering, medical engineering, sciences, why only for IT? Then I felt and I experienced that IT is the part of life now. Without computer, human being cannot consider their own life. For example, if you do some type of good research in medical science and we get some kind of medicine in cancer, cancer patients are less than 1% of the world. But once we do a good research in computer area, it starts from agriculture sector, medical sector, automation, software engineering, Everywhere we can see the IT. Even after this new government started Digital India challenges, and recently, because of demonetization, we have to pay by our computer or mobile. And in that sense, IT awareness is more important. So not only in India, all over the world, IT become very, very important. Maybe that is the reason whole world thinks that our Divyangjan should be good in IT sector. And that is main reason they started challenge for this. According to census data of India, roughly around 1.25 crore Indians are Divyang in our country. And tentatively 40% people, like based on last year data, 40% Indians are using computer and internet. So if you take it that 40%, so roughly around 60 to 70 lakh Divyangjan are using computers and IT. That is the main motivation behind having IT competition all over the world, and it is in India also. So, Korea is very good. They take care. They are very, very serious about Divyangjan. And they started this with the help of UNO, that let us give a common platform to disabled people to showcase their talent in IT sector. And they started international competitions. They selected some people from different countries and they have to go and fight among all these things. And the name of that society is Korean Society of Rehabilitation of Persons with Disability, with Government of India and UNESCO. When we got challenged last year to do this, it was for us first time, and we are not sure how to do, and then I realized that there is no weapon in any arsenal to get success except hard and smart work. If you work hard, you work smartly, sure you are going to get success. And last year, we organized this event successfully. We selected 5 participants. They represented our country in China, and they won 1 gold prize, 1 silver prize, 2 bronze medals, along with Super Challenges Special Award. And later, our Honorable President, he quoted our event in his speech. Like something you do and your recognition is based on your work is the best recognition. There is always question that what is your qualification, but that question we should not ask. The question should be, what is your contribution to the nation? आप ये बताओ देश के लिए क्या किया? That should be the question. We should think this way. And I sincerely hope that this year also we will be having productive 2 days. Last 4 or 5 months we are working very hard, because selecting person to represent our nation is not an easy task. There are always a lot of eyes on us. We prepared the question, technical papers, judges, all these people. So some of the names I have in my hand. This year we received roughly around 100 nominations from the world, from India, different states of India, and we selected 72 participants based on the given criteria prescribed by Korean Society from different states: Sikkim, Odisha, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. Some states are, these are the names of some states. We have a lot of persons who helped us in our whole program. First of all, I would like to thank our judges. The most difficult job. Dr. Saurabh Chamna, Associate Professor of Electrical Engineering in IIT Kurukshetra, Professor Raju Pandey, Department of Electronics and Communication, Professor Brahmjeet, Dean RNC of NIT Kurukshetra, Professor J.S. Lathar from NIT Kurukshetra, Professor Rajendra Nath from Kurukshetra University, Professor Suchita Upadhyay, Kurukshetra University, Dr. Ashwani Kush from Kurukshetra University, and last, Professor C.C. Tripathi, Director of UIT Kurukshetra University. I also welcome our trainers, Mr. Suchit Narang, Mr. Rajendra Negi, Riya Teresa, Saurabh Sharma, Mrilandi for this program. This time we got a radio partner. Radio partner Mr. Danish Mahajan. He ran a FM radio channel Udan in Chandigarh and managed by blind people. He advertised our program last 1 month. He just saw our events on his radio without charging. So thanks a lot for this help. We have our motivators who motivate us, plus our Divyangjan, Dr. Ritu Soni, Associate Professor of Guru Nanak Girls College, Yamunanagar, Advocate Anju Sandhu, Disability Right Activist, Panchkula, and Mr. Danish Mahajan, General Secretary of Radio Udan. For Divyangjan, I have only one line for you. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. As a computer scientist, as a computer lecturer, researcher, I can feel our Divyangjan has ability to become a great software engineer. They can learn algorithm and they can write a best code where India is dominating in IT world, no doubt. And if you go a little bit back, few thousand years ago, all the computers are based on 0 and 1, starting from supercomputer to our mobile phone. And 0 was invented by Aryabhatta. So counting starts from India. Still we are ruling in IT sector. Just we have to change the mindset. The way we see, we should proud what we have in our hand, in our nation. Last but not least, we should think to contribute our nation. As a student, as a lecturer, whatever work we do, we should always keep nation first. तेरा वैभव रहे, तेरा वैभव अमर रहे माँ, हम दिन चार रहे न रहे. इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ और एक बार आपका फिर से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूँ. आप लोग यहाँ पे अपना कीमती समय देकर के आए. धन्यवाद.